Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. My daughter recently finished her GCSEs, the exams that kids take here when they're 16. And from September, she'll be starting at a new place, a sixth form college, where she'll be doing her A-levels. After she completed her final exam, she told me that she deleted the WhatsApp group for her year group. I was a little bit surprised by this, and I asked her, don't you want to keep in touch with people? And she told me, don't worry, I'll keep in touch with the people I want to keep in touch with, but I'm not sure I can stand seeing everybody else crowing about their exam results when the results come in. A very understandable reaction, I guess. If you crow about something, you talk about it, and usually it's a success of yours. So you talk about your successes in a proud and possibly rather arrogant way. You boast about them, you show off about them. So you sometimes hear it when, for example, a British actor or director or film wins an Oscar. And in the media they might say, at last, the British film industry finally has something to crow about. It's also something that you hear when people are talking about football. So, maybe there's a local derby where two local teams who are bitter rivals play each other. And maybe if one team wins, it gives their supporters something to crow about to their neighbours, something to crow about at work the next day. It's also something that was used to talk about the last general election here, where the Labour Party won by a landslide, but people were still warning that they had no real reason to crow about the victory, because essentially it was that the ruling party, the Conservative Party, was so bad and so unpopular that they lost rather than that the Labour Party won. The Conservative Party basically handed them victory on a plate. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use crow about.